Okay, Zimal. Zimal, we are going to do the sounds today. We are going to do phonics. Okay, what is this sound? Very good. What is this?
A.
Okay, this one?
U.
Very good. What is this?
Y.
Okay, very good. What is this?
R.
Okay, what is the action of R? Good. What is this?
H.
Okay, what is the action of?
H.
It's not H, it's okay. What is this?
J.
Okay. What is this? Do the action. Very good. What is this?
K.
Okay, good. What is this?
A.
Okay, do the action. A. Okay, good. What is this?
Quack.
Quack, quack. Very good. Okay, look at this.
O.
Oi.
O.
Say loudly. Oi.
Oi.
Very good. Okay, there are a few words, Simul. So you are going to read. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
Sh.
Okay,
E. Sheep. Sheep.
very good.
D. I. Dog.
Very good. What is the sound?
R.
Okay,
E. I. I.
say loudly. Oi.
Oi.
Very good. Okay, there are a few words, Simul. So you are going to read. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is this?
Sh.
Okay,
E. Sheep. Sheep.
very good.
D. I. Dog.
Very good. What is the sound?
R.
Okay,
E. I.
very good. Okay,
O. Road. Road.
very good.
J. Jet. Jet.
Very good.
Man. Man.
Good.
Quack. 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 Quack.
Very good.
Fizz. Fizz.
Good.
A. Maid. Maid.
Very good. Very good, Simul. So clap for yourself. Very well done.